Hello and welcome. Eureka Forbes presents the AquaSure range of storage water purifiers, the Amrit DX and Amrit EX. The Amrit EX has a storage capacity of 10 liters, whereas the Amrit DX has a storage capacity of 20 liters. The purifiers have a special Ketanu magnet cartridge that, due to its 100% chemical-free purification process, provides safe drinking water. The purifiers also have 3-stage purification process. The particulate filter removes all visible dirt and impurities. The sediment filter removes dissolved impurities invisible to our naked eye. And the positive charge technology kills all the bacteria, viruses and microbial contaminants. This also keeps the water free from any foul taste or color. The purifiers are extremely easy to install and can be assembled within minutes. So let's get started by installing the AquaSure Amrit DX. In the box, you will find the stand, the base container, the top container, the cartridge, the lid cap, particulate filter, and the user manual. Place the stand on a flat surface and attach the base container on it. To install the cartridge, remove the protective sticker from the top and fix it in the top container. The top container has the float pre-attached to it. Now simply place the top container on the base container. Cover the top container with the lid. Let's prepare the particulate filter for installation by rinsing it thoroughly under running water. Once done, place it in the slot provided in the lid. And finally, close the setup with the lid cap to complete the installation. How easily was that installed? Fill the container completely with water and allow it to filter through, and once filled, drain it completely. That brings us to the end of the installation of your AquaSure Amrit DX, which is now ready to use. Your water purifier will give you safe water for up to 1,500 liters before the cartridge must be replaced. I'll take you through the process of replacing the cartridge. Before we begin, make sure the water purifier has been drained completely. First, remove the lid cap, the particulate filter and lid from the top container, and then detach the top container from the base container. Detach the cartridge from the top container. Now, we will replace the cartridge. To install the cartridge, remove the protective sticker from the top and fix it in the top container. Now, simply place the top container on the base container, cover the top container with the lid, attach the particulate filter in the slot provided in the lid, and finally, close the setup with the lid cap to complete the replacement of the cartridge. To properly maintain your water purifier and enjoy the benefits of pure water, it is important to follow these steps. In case of extra deposit on the outer surface of the cartridge, gently clean with a soft brush. The deposit is an indication of the cartridge functioning properly. You must also wash the particulate filter every 15 days under running water. Wash the top and base container every 15 days. First with tap water and then with purified water for the final rinse. Avoid using warm water as it could damage the plastic. There you go. You can now enjoy safe drinking water with the AquaSure Amrit DX.